Tracking lead sources by campaign or channel is one of the easiest ways to optimize your marketing efforts and get better results. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to track lead sources effectively and efficiently so you can see exactly where your leads are coming from, whether it's a specific campaign or marketing channel. First, let's start with the basics. Why is tracking lead sources so important? Well, it gives you insight into which campaigns are working and where to focus your resources. It helps you identify which marketing channels are most effective and where to scale. Without tracking, you're essentially flying blind and wasting time on efforts that aren't driving results. To begin, you need to set up tracking parameters, and this is typically done through UTM codes. UTM codes are tags you can add to your URLs to track the source, medium, and campaign name. Let's break this down. The source could be Facebook, Google Ads, or your email campaign. The medium could be the type of traffic, like social, email, or paid search. And the campaign name could represent the specific promotion or offer you're running. These codes give you granular data about each lead, so you know exactly where they came from. Now, you can add UTM codes directly in your URLs, but most marketing software makes it easier by allowing you to track these automatically. For example, with our software, you can automatically attach UTM parameters to any link, making tracking lead sources effortless. This means no more manual entry and no more wondering if you missed something in the tracking setup. Next, let's talk about where you can view and analyze this data. Most CRMs or marketing tools will let you pull reports that show you which channels are bringing in leads, and you can filter these reports by campaign. This is where you'll see which channels and campaigns are generating the most valuable leads, those that convert into actual sales or clients. If you're using a CRM or marketing software, make sure to connect your lead source data to your sales pipeline. This way, you can track how leads move through your sales funnel. This data helps you optimize for better results, and it'll make your sales team's job easier, knowing where each lead came from and which stage of the process they're in. Also, if you're running ads, integrating with Google Analytics or Facebook Ads Manager can give you deeper insights into the effectiveness of each campaign. You'll be able to tie lead sources back to specific ad sets or keywords and refine your strategy based on performance. One last tip: automate as much as you can. Tracking lead sources manually can be time-consuming and prone to errors. That's why using a software that automates tracking, like the one we're using today, can save you hours of work and give you more accurate results. You can even set up automated reports, so you're always in the know without having to dig through data. Now, for your key takeaway, tracking your lead sources by campaign or channel is vital for knowing where to put your marketing dollars and efforts. The better you track, the more optimized your campaigns become. Always use UTM codes or similar tracking features, and integrate your CRM or marketing tool to streamline the process. Just to recap, first, set up your UTM codes or use automatic tracking features in your software. Then check your reports to see which campaigns and channels are performing. Finally, integrate this data into your sales pipeline to optimize the entire process. Before we wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we're using in this tutorial, link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.